to change weight or height units in Apple Health on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to switch between kilograms and pounds or centimeters and feet in Apple Health. First, open the Health app on your iPhone. Next, tap Browse at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, select the category you want to edit. For example, tap Body Measurements. If you want to change your weight unit, tap Weight. To change your height unit, tap Height. On the next screen, scroll down and tap Unit. You'll now see the available measurement units. For weight, you can choose between kilograms, kg, and pounds, lbs. For height, go back and tap on Height. You can choose centimeters, cm, or feet and inches, ft/in. Simply select your preferred unit, and Apple Health will automatically update the way your data is displayed. Keep in mind that changing the unit only affects how your measurements are shown. Your existing health data will remain the same. And that's how to change units in Apple Health on an iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Apple Health and iPhone tips.